Hello my dear students, welcome back. Today I am going to teach environmental science of class 3. So in the last lecture we have completed up to lesson number 5. So today before starting today's lesson, which is going to be today, we will start a new lesson. So before starting the lecture, let me help you to recall some basic ideas which you have learned in the previous class. Or in the previous lecture also we have learned about plants, types of plants to tamgre, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers ki matang da, part of plants matang da lak matang da, plants ki parts में हम ngasi lesson topic asisu masiga mari lenai parts of plants ta plants ki parts si makhal mayam lei maduda leaves hai jaga sin masigi lesson si leaves. This is lesson number 6 of class 3 environmental science, leaves, which is one of the parts of the plant ki part amani masi masigi matang dini khone ne do sing asi. So you will find this lesson in page number 37, and the name of the lesson is leaves. Managi matang dini khone tam do si leaves. So in this lesson we have total 5 subtopics, and today we are going to discuss only 2 subtopics. Subtopics manga yawi maduda ani khatani ngasi ne doisi. So let's start with the first subtopic, that is leaf diversity. Leaf diversity hai leaf ki variety makhal me pambi amaga manadaba dumaina pambi singdugi mana sing som tam manade. Leaf diversity matang tam dosi variety that different plants have different types of leaves am tam manade madu matang ni kone ne dosi leaf diversity have the varieties that are difference manadaba me. So different plants amga manadaba dumaina pambi ga mana su manade. We see leaves around us, they are of different different, they are of different size, then shape, and color. So in this lesson we are going to discuss about a difference of leaves in terms of size, shape, and color. So these points are highlighted by blue ink na evening. When you look at your textbook, you will find these topics highlighted by blue ink. Leaf diversity, the size. So first we will discuss about size. Some leaves are big in size. Big manasi. Yam chow manale. Say for example, big leaves, while others are small. Big leaf ta khudamun haribada banana leaf. La habdini koina oyisi lafugi manasi chawi. So size in size ta khenabasi achouba lei macha lei manasi achouba lei macha lei. Achoubugi example the banana leaf. Macha example the you can say tulsi leaf. So different in size, you can look around and you can find varieties of example. So once these examples are taken here, banana leaf, for big leaf banana leaf is taken as an example, and for small leaves tulsi leaf is taken as an example. Next is shape. 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 manadabagi matangdini khone ne doisi shape tong yengasi. Shape. So when we talk about shape, after size, shape is given in your textbook. Shape tong lenasi. Leaves come in a variety of shapes. Shapes makal varieties hai. Makal adukimatik lai shape. So when we take example, some few examples are also given in your textbook. When you look at page number 37, you will find people leaf. So since we are talking about the shape, people leaf see kai shape or heart shape. Few more examples are maple leaf, hand shape, khut mali. Then lotus leaf is also taken as an example in your textbook. Round shape, needle shape. Leaf is also there. Pine leaf is needle in shape. So shape to manadaba adukimatik laire, size adukimatik laire. So one important point is given in your textbook, page number 37, which is highlighted by yellow background. The leaf of pitcher plant. Pitcher plant ki manasi. The leaf of pitcher plant looks like a pitcher. Pitcher hai koi ising mahapna zak to adu mali hami pitcher hai madu mali hai ki magi maming su koi pitcher plant kauri gani with a lid hai makhum yaw ba. So masi ki manasi konjal laga pitcher ki shape ki man. Pitcher hai di keno koi ising ga hapna ba jak to. And it also has a lead makhum ju. So size, shape, color nathaba atai energy. So in the starting of the lecture, I have mentioned about the difference of leaves, different leaves in terms of size, shape, and color. Size, shape, and color nathaba atopa su mayam ama lai maduna kai kena texture yi matang las. Texture, size, shape, color tangataba texture. Texture means the way something feels when we touch. Pai with mon laubra, zog laubra. Pai with a comment. Okay. Let's take an example. For example, jade plant. A jade plant lift. And when you touch the leaf of jade plant, you'll find the leaves are very smooth texture. And mint leaf. And when you touch the leaf of mint, you will find a rough texture. Jogzolo. Texture I think pipe the jogzolo mun logra. So examples are also taken in your textbook. Next is age. Mana yeng mana leaves ama yeng with magi matai si. Age the matai si kamai tong age. So the leaf margins differ from one plant to another. Margins amaga manati pambi amagi mana sinasi magi margin si manati margin di magi matais leaf ki matais. So let's take an example. Rose leaf. Rose ki manasi tooth edge. Yeah, manba. Then guava leaf is also taken as an example. Guava leaf is smooth edge. What I see. Zigzag with it. Smooth with. Guava leaves in a zigzag with it. Smooth with. Rose leaves in a tooth edge my zigzag with. What I see. Next is color machuda manadaba pambi khenaba matungina khenaba mayam si marakida color matang du ne si most leaves are green anamanadi green no anamanadi green no because of the chlorophyll. But some plants have leaves of different colors such as orange oibiawi, purple oibiawi, red oibiawi. And manai machusi anamanadi green way, the green way the orange machu oiba, purple machu oiba, red color oiba. And when you look at your textbook on page number 38, you will find leaves of different colors. Next is aroma. Aroma is manam duni. Mana amagam pambi khena bai matung ina pambi dugi mana sinsu amaga manam khena bagi matang ni. So we have learned about size, shape, then texture, age, color. Last you know aroma. Aroma is in a manam ni matang ni. Some leaves have a wonderful aroma. For example, tulsi example or manamji pambi amaga ki mana ki manamji amaga manga manati tulsi leaf ki manam yu then mint ki se kone pudina jo haibni and coriander leaves padigom si amaga manga manam amta manati. So when you take any of these leaves, crush them. When you crush them between your fingers, you will smell the aroma. So this is the first topic of today's lecture. Now, second topic, which is parts of a plant. Parts of a leaf. Parts of a leaf. Manasgi parts. So when you look at your textbook, you will find a picture of parts of a plant, which is given roughly like this. So it is very important to have textbook with you. So when you look at your textbook at page number 38, you will find picture of parts of a plant. This is given as a leaf stalk. Makhok sini sigi stem ga asigi mana siga samjanari basi leaf stalk ka wi havini asigi mana sina leaf blade havini. Then maya is mid rib havini. Si maya di masa senthori isina veins havini. So in spite of all the diversity, all leaves have some basic parts. Despite all diversity, adi pambi khena bagi matungina pambi khena bagi matungina manas insu amma amaga amta manade. Adu manadaba mayam leibidugi mathakta all leaves have the same basic parts. Maru oiba part khadi manai. Same basic parts. Maru oiba part khadi manai. Kekeno manai se maru oiba parts inse kekeno leaf stalk, leaf blade, veins, midrib. So let's find out the definition of these parts of the leaf. The flat surface of the leaf is called the leaf blade. Leaf blade kawi. The lines are running across the leaf are called veins. Midrib teki masa thola isina midrib kawi. Midrib teki masa thola isina veins kawi. Is usually each leaf has a main vein called the midrib. See main vein. Sina veins. See midrib teki masa thola isina veins. See main veins sina midrib kawi. And inside veins The leaf stalk joins the leaf blade to the stem of the plant. See stem. Masigi leaf blade ka stem ka samjanari si kanai mating na samjanari hai di leaf stalk ki mating. Leaf stalk hai di kaino joins the leaf blade to the stem of the plant. Stem ka leaf blade ka samjanari jaga si ko kaina leaf stalk kawi. And one important point is also given in the last line. There is small openings called stomata. Small openings called stomata are present on the underside of the leaf. See, manazida stomata haidana small openings. Macha yawe. So which helps in the exchange of gases. Exchange of gases to water vapor will be carbon dioxide will be. So you will learn about the function of stomata in higher classes. So stomata helps in the exchange of gases, and you will learn the detail. Stomata function se tamgani masisu leaves the yawi. So with this I will summarize what we have learned today. So we have learned about leaves of different plants and varying leaves of different plants. Pambi khene bai matung ina varying size. Pambi khene bai matung ina pambi sindu da horiba mana sing adu amaga size khene, shape khene, color khene, age khene, texture khene, then aroma khene. And next is all leaves have the same basic parts. So despite of the diversity, khene mayama lesu basic parts khadi manai. Mana sing si amaga basic parts they mani. So what are the basic parts? Leaf blade. See the loin leaves ko din mata loin mo yaw niya. Veins, lip stalk, then midrib, and stomata. So leaves of different plants vary in size, shape, color, age, texture, and aroma. Pambi kene bai metumina pambi singi mana singu size kene, shape kene, color kene, age kene, texture kene, aroma kene. Masi me amsi kene zeta regasu different plants singi the whole group mana singi sigi basic parts ti manai. Kai kene basic parts tu na leaf blade, veins, leaf stalk, midrib, and stomata. So in spite of the diversity, all leaves have the same basic parts. See basic parts di learn mane. So this is the summary of today's lecture. Now I will write down some questions which will help you to evaluate yourself. So for evaluation, I'm going to write 2 questions. I try to find the answers of these questions. Name a plant with smooth edge leaves. Question number 2. Name the basic parts of leaves. So question number 1 is name a plant with smooth edge leaves. Question number 2 is name the basic parts of leaves. So these questions will help you to check whether you understand the topic or not. So with this I conclude my lecture. Thank you.